Hello viewers, welcome to IT System Admin and Information Technology Learning tutorial channel for you. Today in this tutorial I am going to show you how to fix command prompt is disabled by your administrator in Windows 10 computer. Sometimes it becomes very important for you, so don't forget to watch full video. In search type CMD and then hit enter, and look, the command prompt has been disabled by your administrator. Now I am going to fix this issue. Close command prompt. In search, type gp edit. Now hit enter. Local group policy editor has been opened. Under user configuration, expand administrative template and then click on system. Now scroll down. Here you will find a setting prevent access to the command prompt, and now it's enabled. Right click on the setting, click on edit, and now click on not configured, and then click on apply, click on OK. Close group policy editor. Now right click on start menu, click on run, and in run type gp update /force and then click on OK. Updating the policy. Computer policy update successfully. Now I am trying to open command prompt. In search type cmd and now hit enter, and look, my problem has been fixed and I can open command prompt on my Windows 10 computer. This is all for today. Hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Keep watching for next tutorial. Thank you very much.